In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw perfect shapes using the S Pen on your Samsung Galaxy S9 tablet. So first, you'll notice that whenever you try to draw a shape, it's always misshapen. It doesn't look good. So to draw a perfect shape, all you need to do is draw the shape you want and then hold until it becomes perfect. Then use the S Pen to drag it around on the screen and use these dots at the corners to make it smaller or bigger. Let's try another one. Let's try with a square. So misshapen and then perfect. You can see the differences between the perfect and the misshapen shapes. So let's do a triangle. And then we can make it bigger. You can also do a rectangle and make it smaller. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.